Hey friends, I'm Laura and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making my August Scrap My Stash kit, and this is where I go through my craft supplies and my craft room and I build a kit from my scrapbooking stash, and the whole month I work really hard to use up as much of that kit as I can. So I am very excited because August is my first month over on Patreon. I will link my Patreon channel down below. I will be sharing my favorite techniques for using up stuff from my stash this month over there, and I have a monthly scrapbooking challenge to help you scrap your stash over there, and free digital downloads, and my best tutorials and videos over there. So I am so excited about that. Again, I will link my Patreon channel down below. It's the best way to support this channel and to support me and all the hours of hard work I put into these videos for you guys. Plus you get the best exclusive videos over there and challenges and photos and all of this awesome inspiring content. So today we are going to be making a kit from my stash, and I hope you enjoy. And if you want, you can try to guess the theme for my scrapbooking challenge over in Patreon this month based on the kit that I put together today. I would be really curious to see if anybody guesses what the theme is based on the kit. And yeah, I hope you check out my Patreon. Please become a patron. It seriously means the world to me and helps support this channel and all of the creative inspiration and content that I create for you guys. And I'm going to be doing the best Scrap My Stash stuff over there, so I'm really excited about that. All right, let's make a kit. All right, so I usually start my Scrap My Stash kits off with my patterned papers and going through all my scrap papers and my 12 by 12 papers to see what I want to use. But this month, I know I want to use up some of these rosettes from my stash that I made months ago that did not end up making it in different projects that I did. So I'm going to be including these in my Scrap My Stash kit, and I'm doing this first because I want to make sure all the papers that I grab kind of coordinate with this and can work with these colors and extend the colors for more usage. So as you can see, I have quite a few rosettes here. Here I have my scrap paper box full of all my different scraps, and I want to see what would look good. So I think this actually might go, see those colors with the pink and the yellow? That might look really good together. So maybe I'll pull that. Lots of little paper scraps here. I'm actually going to lay these rosettes out. I think it's easier to see if the papers I'm pulling coordinate when they're all laid out like this. Ooh, got some color on that one. This could be a good one to go along with this color. That doesn't really go. Of course, white scraps are always useful. I like this one too. I think I'm going to pull this one. Definitely pull this one. I really like this paper. I'm going to pull this one. Alright, so I've pulled quite a few 6x8 papers there. I've got my carousel paper pad to flip through. Ooh, lots of colors in this paper pad. Pull the colors from the rosettes that I have there. I absolutely adore this paper. I think I'll pull that one. Ooh, this is beautiful. And it looks so good with this one. Yeah, I can pull this one too. Ooh, that's cute. Pull that. Pull this one. And pull that. That's a good one too. Alright, so I think that's all the scrap paper I'm going to pull. Okay, so far this is what I have for paper scraps. As you can see, it's a nice little pile there, but not a crazy amount, but quite a few. So I'm feeling pretty good about that, and I'm going to set that to the side. And then I'm going to put all these, well, maybe I'll keep the rosettes out. keep a couple of them out. How about that? Okay, and right here I have my planner sticker book, and these have so many planner stickers in them, and I've really been wanting to make this sticker book a lot less big and chunky. Plus I have several other sticker books too, so I've really been wanting to use some of this up for a while now. So I'm going to look through here and see which sheets that I want to take out and try to use up. I think a lot of these florals would look amazing because these are the Maggie Holmes florals, and these were another Maggie collection. So I'm going to take this one. I don't plan to use the backside at all. As you can see, it does not match these colors, but I think this one I could probably use up a lot from there. Oh, I kind of love all the copper foil right here. That could look really cute too. So I'm going to pull this one, again, only for this side, not for the back side. If I'm pulling those, I might as well pull these right here for the gold alphabet stickers, because they look so cute together like that. Are they even the same gold? They're kind of a different gold. That's okay, I'll pull them both. I think I pulled this one and try to use up some of the stickers that are on this sheet front and back. I'm going to pull this one. So here are the different stickers that I chose. You can see all of these. Some of them are front and back. Some of them I only intend to use one side of. Very beautiful. And these will be easy to tell how much I used up because, for instance, I can just compare this sheet to what's left of it at the end of the month, and it'll be easy to see if I used up half of the sheet or all of the sheet. So hopefully I make some good progress on these stickers here. And then I pulled a few things from my stash here. This came off of some various different Happy Mail that I used to have from years ago. I like to take my Happy Mail apart after I've had it for a couple years and use all the individual elements that I love in different projects later. So these are things I grabbed off of different Happy Mail that were in my stash. And I've got this to pull out of my drawer here. We can go through this and see if there's anything I want to pull. Just kind of scrolling through here to see what I want to grab. That one. Grab that. Ooh, I bet I could use up some of these acetate pieces, especially with those pink colors. Yeah, those pinks are beautiful. So I'm going to pull all of these acetate pieces. That's quite a few of them there. And I'm going to put them inside of this little envelope that I was using to store some of my Happy Mail stickers on top of. Just trying to keep in mind the colors so far, and I think we've got like a mustard, a light pink, and a teal color going on. Yeah, that's a good teal color. This little one too. This is a nice pink color that matches that other pink that I have. All right, so this is a bag full of goodies that I have here now. It's looking pretty good. Lots of stuff in there to use. All right, and then I think I just need to go through my boxes of embellishments and pick out a few things from there. So I already have a lot of embellishments from the sticker sheets and this bag of different die cuts and stickers and stuff that I pulled. So I don't need to grab too much, only a few different things. I'm gonna look through all the stuff I have here. I like this one a lot, and it's got the different yellows and it's got some pink in it, so I'll pull that. This one does too, though. Those are beautiful. I really like those flowers. They actually match these flowers right here because they're both Maggie Holmes. A little bit different color. Those are exactly the same. So maybe I'll pull this. Yeah, I'll pull that. Yeah, we've got mustard and light pink here, and then maybe this would go with the teal. I'll pull those in case I use them. This one I don't think I'd use a lot of, but I think I could use a couple, like these three right here, I think I could use. So I'll pull those. And these words are actually a great color that I think work really well with this teal, so I'll pull those. That's not quite the right pink. This pink is a little bit too purpley pink, I think, and these are more like a warmish pink, like a coral. Ooh, here we go. This one has some cool pinks in the flower there. I don't know about the rest of it. I guess, yeah, there's a little bit of mustard in there. Yeah, so I'll pull this. This is a half-used sticker sheet. Anyway, it would be really cool if I could use up most or all of this. Ooh, I really like this. Yeah, I'm gonna grab these. And I think that will do it. That's a pretty big kit. All I need are some 12 by 12 papers now for my backgrounds. Okay, so I went through my 12 by 12 papers and I grabbed this ombre painted teal one. And then I've got this pink one, this pink one, this teal one. And then I grabbed 7 sheets of plain white 12 by 12 cardstock there. And I'm just gonna go through 2 more little things and be done, I think. Wanted to go through some of my paper flowers here. I thought I could use some of them up. Lots of paper flowers there. And then I'm going to go through this little container with my cute paper clips on it and pull a couple of them. Definitely this mustard here. That would look super cute with some of the mustard colored stuff that I've pulled this month. And I don't think this pink quite matches. And neither does this other yellow. Nope. I think I'm going to grab the white pom-pom there. I was just thinking, oh no, I think I'll save it for Christmas, but here's the thing. It can be a really dangerous mindset to say, oh no, I'm going to save that for something else, and then you never end up using it. That's usually what happens to me. So if I don't use it this month, I'll use it for Christmas, but if I could use it up this month, cool, because I have lots of cute Christmas stuff. Alright, so those are all my cute paper clips. I pulled a few of those. I've got some citrus twist ones. These are more blue than teal, so they're not going to work. It's hard to tell the difference, I think, on camera, but these are blue and these are like a greenish blue. I can pull those white ones though. Alright, so I think that does it for this kit. I pulled quite a few things. I'm very excited about it. We've got several sheets of alphabets here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different alphabets. That's probably a little excessive. We've got all of these rosettes in here, and then we've got paper clips and paper flowers in here. We've got loose die cuts and different embellishments in there, along with some random stickers from Happy Mail. We've got this stack full of embellishments, stickers, chipboards, all that good stuff. And then this is our paper stack. So that's still a lot of stuff. And I will be excited at the end of the month to see how much of it I actually use up, because this is a pretty tall order. This is a pretty huge kit. So I hope you have enjoyed watching me put together this kit. This is my August Scrap My Stash kit. If you want to see how I use up this kit, what my monthly challenge is that I'm sharing with everybody over on my Patreon, check that out over on my Patreon channel. Guys, I'm so excited for my Patreon and so excited for the wonderful community that's going to be happening over there and all of the awesome scrapbooking and storytelling that we are going to be doing. So join me over there if you want to see how I use up this kit, and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, or leave me a comment down below if you have a guess for what the August challenge is over on my Patreon channel. Like I said, I think it would be so fun if somebody could guess it without being in the Patreon channel first. There's so much goodness here, and guys, I'm so excited to dive in. Thank you so much for watching this video. Check me over on Patreon, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the few videos that I will still be posting here every month, and I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!